me, Trading Card Tony, with another pack today. I just sent it skimming across the deck there. The Flintstones. Hanna-Barbera, there he is. Fred going, hey, Barney. Hey, Barney boy. It's me, Fred. Let's get these straight open if we can. We're going to get in there, or do we need to cut? Do we need to cut them? No, we're in. We're in because I'm a pro. Here we go. Here we go with your pro. Trading Card Tony, don't you know? Little rhyme for you there. Straight away, Barney's there in an hat. We got any gum? We haven't got gum in these. No, we haven't. Go back. We'll go this way around. So you're looking at probably clips from the show, I would think. So clips, cards from the show, images, dreams, hopes, aspirations. The Flintstones, yeah. There's Fred doing his thing in a ballet school. I bet he didn't like that at first, but then he'll come round to it as the episode went on, which is the very nature of the Flintstones, I think. Oh, there he is, and look, what did I say? Look, he's stubborn, innit? He's got a moustache on. Kitchen. Oi, what are you doing? You're Fred Flintstone. Flintstones. Yeah, I know I am. Right, Dino, he was a favourite, wasn't he? Yeah, what's that? Is that toilet roll? It's been soiled. That's weird. No, they wouldn't have had toilet roll, would they? Even though they had all major appliances like TVs, it was supposed to be in Stone Age. What's this? Who's it? Colouring card. What? Is that the same card? No, there's two stuck together. That's why it's confusing. Right. Let me have a look here. Let me get in here. Let's get this open. These cards stick together sometimes. You've got to be careful when you're trying to open them, you know. Don't rip them or anything, tear them. You know, treat them nice. There we go. We're in. You see, a little bit of patience. Who is this? Whose pet was he? Which episode did they appear? You lost me. I don't know. That wasn't worth it, was it? Who's it? Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, so this is from the entire history of the Flintstones. So that's Pebbles. And did she marry Bam Bam? Did she marry Bam Bam? We don't know. Yeah. Wow. There you go. Oh, the Flintstones at the new... What's this comic souvenir? This is good, isn't it? Flintstones at the New York World's Fair. Yeah. Oh, a bit of a comic book reference there. That's quite good. Like it. Yeah. Gazoo. Oh, bit controversial. The Great Gazoo. Were he great? Not really. Yeah, there you go. And then we've got a Flintstone Christmas. I think that was a special they did, wasn't it? Yeah. 1977 NBC. Flintstone Christmas. Well, there you go. That's the Flintstones. Not a bad little set, actually. Got a bit of variation. Some comic covers. Yeah. Colouring card or whatever that is. I don't know. The less we say about that, the better. That one, it was a bit weird. Right then, we'll see you again for another Trading Card Tony. Like, subscribe, comment, open your packs, tell me what you got. See ya!